drawing the line between modesty and confidence, specifically as it relates to full-figured women. It's time to get girl power real, and here to help me talk about this is media personality, radio host, and owner of her PR company, Janice Young. Hey, morning, Janice. How are you?
Hi, Delia. How are you?
I'm good, thank you, my love. Boy, we're gonna be walking a line here, girl, but walk it with me, walk it with me. I know the answer, but I'm going to ask you, do you feel that plus size women feel more pressure to cover up than other women are?
Well, then plus size women have a lot more to show.
Right.
So the pressure is going to be more. The more you have is the more you're going to be noticed.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I do believe so. In some cases, I think there could be some more levels of modesty on our side,
Mm-hmm.
but it doesn't negate general modesty. It can't be something that's just focused on plus size females because not skinny females don't look good in everything that they wear either, you
Right.
know?
Right.
So there has to be a balancing act.
Mm-hmm. So because there's been a body positive movement, and it's diverse. It has different ranges. You know, there are some that say show everything. It's your body. Who cares? There are others who say the body that you have, you can dress it up a particular way so it looks good for your size. And then there are
Mhm.
some people who believe that I just have to cover everything up because there's nothing good about me that I need to show. Where do we strike the balance, Janice?
Self-esteem is going to be always going to be a factor, and self-esteem is important. And so to each his own. So if you feel that you need to cover up everything because you don't feel comfortable in your own skin and you don't feel that you want to be showing any part of you to the world, then you can go ahead and do that. And know
Mm-hmm.
that at the end of the day, that right now where we are for the last couple of years, thick is in. So plus size is not seen as problematic. It's not seen as, I mean, outside of the fact that everybody wants to be healthy, it's not seen as a negative anymore. So it's not trying to force yourself and starve yourself to be model thin because thick is actually in. But there is a balancing act outside of being, here's my body, so I'll flaunt it and I wear what I want, to understanding that not every style and not every cut fits your body type. You know
Okay.
what I mean? Sometimes you see something on a mannequin and it looks so nice on the mannequin, and when you put it on yourself, it doesn't look the same because your body is different. So I do believe that if you want to show yourself, particularly throughout the summer when you're going on the beach and you're expected to be in swimwear, not every swimwear cut is fit for everybody.
Mm-hmm.
So there are some swimwears that when you have it on a thin person, it looks like a hang on a nail too. So we just have to be sensitive in terms of what's comfortable for us in general, and feeling positive and self-confident, yes, but also wearing things that complement your assets or complement the positives that you see. So if you have really nice cleavage, you accentuate that or whatever it is, but you just wear stuff that actually fit you.
It's interesting that you said that because look, man, slim people take forever to buy something, man. They're gonna try on 100 things until they find the
Hmm.
one that they feel makes their body look good. And so I'm glad you
Right.
raised that because it means that because you're a plus size woman, take the time as well to find the thing
Hmm.
that works for you and
The,
that
the,
you.
the good thing about 2020, Dahlia, is that even if you can't find it in certain stores, you can get it online. Once it's a case where you know your size, there are styles that work for you. So I think that's what kind of turns my head sometimes, to be
Hmm.
honest.
Yeah.
Because as a plus size woman, I look at other plus size women, and the first thing I think about is like, oh, that look nice, but I wear that. Or why she wear that, and it don't really fit her body
Yeah.
properly.
Yeah.
So that is what's going to turn my head. It's not going to be, oh my God, you're fat, you shouldn't be in clothes, or you should wear a crocus bag or a sheet on
Hmm.
the beach, But it's just trying to find things that actually complement your body and the various. I mean, everybody has their own accents, whether it's a cleavage or you have thick thighs, or is your arms that look nice, whatever it is. You have to find things that actually complement your body.
Yeah. We are complementing this interview with plus size swimwear. Do you think one of the things that's actually changed the face of it and raised the confidence level is that more and more clothing manufacturers are actually designing stuff for plus size women?
Exactly.
And they're not all black, by the way. There's by the black, it's slimming. So no, their colors, their styles, there are different things that allow plus size women to really rock the way they look. Is that one of the things that you believe has raised the
Yeah, I
confidence
believe
level?
so. Which is why, I mean, during the summer and going to the beach, there's so many different plus size swimwear and so many different items that you can use. I mean, it doesn't necessarily mean that every fluffy woman on the beach must have on a t-shirt,
Right.
But at the end of the day, there's different wraps, there's different styles that actually can, do some level of cover up while at the same time accentuating yourself. So there are options now. It's not just a crocus bag mentality anymore for plus size women. If you're oversized 1X, then it means there's just a square crocus bag you're going to have to wear. It's not like that anymore. So we appreciate that. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Yeah.
Give us
Yeah,
options and give
and I
us
feel
styles,
more I feel more men are comfortable as well in expressing their attraction to plus size women. I
Well, we
feel
have
like I
songs
might be
about it,
wrong, but I
but
feel like there was a time when they were attracted to plus size women, but them never necessarily say so a lot. So like you'd
well,
see them married to a plus size woman or dating a plus size woman, but when them out, them feel like them have to say, oh, but now I think particularly in Jamaica, Jamaican men are like, whoa, I love that girl. Them is a plus size. I won't even
as I
get into
said,
what they
thick,
say.
thick,
That's a different
thick
conversation.
is in.
But
Thick
I
is
think
in, darling.
yeah, but I think that's one of the things. And I heard someone comment that they feel like Jamaican women have this level of confidence regardless of their size. And I think a lot of it comes with still a lot of work to do, but I think it comes with the way society, you know, uplifts plus size women. So kudos to us for that.
The
Enough work
important
to be
thing,
done.
Adela, is to be healthy and happy. That's the
Yeah.
important thing.
Yeah.
And in the summer, it doesn't. You shouldn't feel like you can't go up on the beach because you're not a size zero or a size two or whatever it
Right,
is.
right, right.
It's just dress that's comfortable for you, but also dress for your body type too. Not everything actually fits you.
All right, my love. Always great speaking to you.
Anytime, man.
All right, see you on the beach, girl.
All right,
Just
ready.
not tell Mars this, man, but Janice Young, mask. Janice
Oh,
Young, media personality, radio host, and owner of Street Cred, big PR company. Check her out. All right, Jay. We're going to wrap things up in a bit, so please stay with us. Smile Jamaica is going to be right back.